Righties, ladies and gentlemen, you got the wife, you got me, daughter's over at grandma's right now playing. We made some modifications to the trailer. As you see, we finally labeled it so you know that it's us, even if we're not quite at the pits. Had a few people last year at Drag Week go, hey, we thought it was you guys, but we weren't sure. So there we go, we're labeled now. We also did a couple other things. We got packed up, drive shafts are on, clothes are in, chairs are in, canopies in. Blankets, pillows, tarp, no, tent. Generators in. Hopefully we won't have to rely on the power inverter and kill the batteries every day, so that'll help. Here's a quick view of what we got packed up on the inside. Like I said, generator. Our toolbox is still in there. We decided we're going to put the clothes in the car. We got the 3 pack outs now instead of the 2. Thank you, Terry, for letting us borrow one. There's our pillows and our blanket. And then heater, because it's going to get a little cold. Got the bed. Got our transmissions. Valve spring compressor. We got a grease gun, caulk gun. Our cabinet's working out fantastic now. We got some lockers on there. So that's going to be where we're going to keep most of our food. Put up a little side tray here I found laying around in the shop. No, I didn't pay Snap-on prices for it. Got our 2-cycle oil and stuff in there. I think we're doing pretty good so far. Got to put the wife's impact back up here, but we've already addressed that situation, so. Fun part. Remember that camper frame we built? Well, we're about to go try to see if it's actually going to work as a trailer. If not, I'm coming after the guy who built it. Yep. I'm going to write him a very strongly worded negative review. Probably beat the crap out of him, too. Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We've got... It was cold, okay? I'm sorry. I can't really do a lot of videos out in the cold. I mean, it is really brisk, cold, snowy, icy morning here where we're at. Truck's warming up. She's hooked up. We did a tune-up, transmission flush, oil change, spark plugs. An extra spark plug because one was cracked. Thought we were losing the whole truck. Trailer's loaded up. Mini campers on the trailer. Project Apocalypse is loaded up. Everything's looking good. Oh, I forgot to even update you guys on that. Okay, hang on. In terms of the drag and drive trailer, we did some things that it was too cold to film. I finally figured out how to put my fenders on. I just have a piece of angle iron in here, bolted to the fender, screwed to the wood, and then simplest solution ever, just got some angle brackets and bolted my fenders on down here so they no longer wiggle and jiggle. So we got those on here. We got our bike strap down on the back, our ramps, and then I have boards screwed all the way up the middle, all the way up for the jack of the drag and drive camper. So, I mean, it's looking pretty good. All the lights are working. Got all the tires aired up, bolted down. I mean, we're a little low in the back, but I mean, I don't know. I think we'll be all right. Because, I mean, my car trailer sits pretty low in the back, too, so. I mean, it looks pretty good. Gotta stop and get everything a bath. Got our nice big logo on here. Gonna go catch some signatures before we leave. So, if you guys see us, say, hey, I'm a subscriber. And we'll jot your name down on the side. Update you guys when we make it somewhere significant or see something cool. So, stay tuned. Alrighty, we are an hour and a half into this, and let's go ahead and check on the trailer. Ooh, might want to tighten that guy up. Check the layout of hubs. That's fine. That's fine. Yep, ramps, bike. Looking good so far. That one's a little warm. Not bad. That one's not bad either. Alright, looks like one strap to tighten up. And we're making things happen here. Well, we're on our 3rd stop of the trip. Everything's going good. But all I hear out of my wife is, "A Buc-ee's!" So as you guess where we're at, yep. We're gonna go see what the heck a Buc-ee's is about because she's losing her crap. So, let's go. Oh, it's a beaver, not a chipmunk. It's a beaver tail. Yes. Fudge. Cookies. Muffins. Cupcakes. Can't tell we're in Kentucky. All kinds of crap. I'll bring you guys back after we give you an update. We're gonna roam around and see what we find. A video of my truck to make sure it was the right gas pump. This is what happens when you have 124 fuel pumps in a gas station you can fit freaking Dollar Generals in. Get it filmed because we were talking about 124 gas pumps, but it took about $62. I think what 20 gallons? 20 gallons. 20 gallons. So we are in it so far about $200 in gas. No, yeah, sure. About 190. Not doing too bad. We are on stop number 3. Truck was driving a little weird, so figured let's go ahead, use the bathroom, come check all of our straps. Everything looks good, but then I happened to start looking around at the tires and stuff, and I noticed this. Tire looks good. Tire don't look so good. We picked us up a nice little nail. So I'm gonna run into Love's here, get a tire patch. So let's just go around and do a tire kick on the rest of the tires. Let's check the important ones. Good. Good. Oh, wait. Good. Good. Looks good. 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 Watch out. Good. Good. Watch out. Good. 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 And the rest of the truck looks good. Wait a minute. Forgot one. Yep. All good. Step and goes back on the road.
Maybe.
It's a screw.
Did to unscrew your tire?
Yep.
What size do you need?
Fucking construction screw. It's a star bit. But the bit's all worn down. We might be able to use a bit. Here, 30 degrees, not 10.
Still pretty cold. Trailer it goes.
gonna be able to plug it. Not how I imagined our afternoon. How about you?
No.
Seriously? Seriously?
Let me hold it up.
It's everything I got. Alrighty, well that took way longer than it should have. Loves has some junk tire plugs. Don't get tire plugs from them. Went through 3 of them, broke the thing, stabbed my hand. Not a great way to start. Ended up going over to Shell, got a good tire plug, went in, we're good. And then had to spend $8 for 4 cycles just to fill 1 tire. That's 45 minutes we're not getting back, but we're getting back on the road now. Let me get out of this, Loves, and I'll hit you up with the next stop. Oh man, after a long day, we are finally in Tennessee. Heck yeah.
Welcome center. You think we classify as a car or a truck? We have a car.
I think we classify it as a truck.
Okay.
Well, it is currently 8:20 at night. We left the house around noon, and we are finally in Tennessee. So, we're going to keep on driving. We're apparently going to slow down to 55, not 75. And we're going to hopefully make up some miles. So that way we can hopefully be at South Georgia Motorsports Park by tomorrow. Evening, morning, afternoon, sometime. See you then. Update number 6. So, we have decided to stop at a hotel for the night. It is almost 11:30 at night. We have made it over halfway there, so I'm not mad about that. We got a late start, had a couple issues from a couple straps coming loose, a few more gas stops than I wanted, flat tire on the pick-em-up truck, and then just lately I didn't get a video of it, but my marker lights were flickering because one of the self-tappers came loose and they all got pissed off. But it's here. Camper's not falling off yet. Car's still on here, and haven't lost any more tires. So, and the bike's still on the back. So, I think we're winning so far. So this is probably going to be it for day -3 of sick week. Thank you for watching. Hopefully tomorrow will be less eventful but more fun. We'll see how it goes. Have a good one.